Coming up on the Crazy Jamaican Bwoy Podcast.
This song, Candy Rush.
Yeah.
What's the reception been like from the public?
Oh boy.
Side chicks not gonna like this. I don't care the slightest.
All
Love
right.
to play the part. No, my girl, ya sell yourself short.
A man who says he wants an open relationship.
Oh, red flag.
I'm not going to lick out against it. You know why?
Mic check. You don't know it's your boy Anthony Tracey, and we're back with another episode of the Crazy Jamaican Bwoy Podcast. You see me? Before we get into the mix of things, guys, make sure you like this video, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. If you want to stream this on Spotify or Apple, all right, leave me a review and make sure you want to follow the thing, guys. You see me? Boost the movement. All right, so I'm sure to see some nice pretty girl next to me and ting. You don't know. Them girl here take social media blaze, you see me? And I'm sure a lot of you guys want to know, who are these girls? Where them come from? Well, them there, and I'm going to answer all of the questions they want to have, you see me? All right, so introducing the Valkyries of Arcadia. Hey, girls.
Hey.
Thanks for coming on to the podcast.
Thanks for having us.
Give me a quick introduction now, guys. Make you know own name and just tell me the own names.
Okay. Hi, it's your girl, Kwana. I'm the official songbird of the Valkyries of the Arcadia. Valkyries of Arcadia. VOA. Guys, I'm nervous.
My name is Silver Neko. I'm the assistant director of the Valkyries of Arcadia.
I'm Empress Nile. I'm the managing director of the Valkyries of Arcadia.
Hi, I'm Zuri. I'm the head crochet and fashion designer of the Valkyries of Arcadia.
Hi, I'm Valkyrie Annie, the newest member of the Valkyries and the Carnival Baddie.
Hey, when I run social media right now, I say how you feel like, all of this, the traction you guys have been getting off your performance.
Although it's a new avenue, it's nothing new to us. We've been doing this for over 10 years. The Valkyries of Arcadia, we started out as a gaming group. We all do different kinds of gaming, whether it be competitive or casual. We have individual talents and we use our talents to better the group. So from gaming, we went into cosplay, modeling, singing, dancing, beauty. And now we released a new pre-release single.
You guys started as is this a gaming
Yes,
group?
that's our
And
origin.
then you guys did cosplaying and all that stuff. What made you guys decide to transition into music? Because that's that's a whole different ball game.
Well, it's as she mentioned, we have different talents in the group.
Yeah.
So we just venture through each talent and avenue of the group, and they're just at my stop right now, which is the music aspect.
Music aspect.
So it's pretty much, we have so many diverse members who do diverse things, and we started off as a gaming group, but we have now expanded it to a modern pop entertainment group, and we're trying all the different formulas until we finally get to a hump that we need to go over. So this is just one of the parts we're on right now, which is the music part. Yes.
All right, well, awesome. But tell me, how did this group actually start? How did they link up with each other?
It was a long day.
What do you mean?
The first one out of the bunch that I met was Hasari. And then Hasari brought in you, Kone? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the maths. And then both of y'all knew Neko. And then I met Zuri
At the river.
at the river, that one river, pick up that river. And then we were on the internet and we're like, who is this carnival baddie right here? And then we have another Valkyrie. She is not here right now, but Alicia, she's a longtime friend. And she is also into gaming and she wants to get into modern pop herself. So she heard of the Valkyries and she's like, I want to do this too. So her avenue is fitness and wellness. She's like, I can help get y'all right mentally and physically. So she adds that aspect to us. So along the way, when you're walking down the street to pick up a plant, what's a plant right there? Pick up the plant.
All right, so everybody play them role in some way and somewhere. I'm here saying all of other members, it spans to 10, I hear, and then it's all over different countries and stuff like that. Tell me now, how are going?
But as it stands, we have
On the international.
very
Oh,
much
God.
so. We have 10, over 10 in Jamaica
Over
alone.
10 in Jamaica.
And then I think we have 4 or 5 in the US. And then we have 2 in Ghana. and one in Japan.
Two in what?
Ghana, Africa.
How on them even met that connection there?
Well, one of us, we went to a tournament in Accra, Ghana
What kind of
during
tournament?
the year of return. I think it was a color switch, FIFA, I think Call of Duty, but FIFA definitely there.
Yeah.
And the team was there, and then one of the girls that we have now, she was like, what is this EMP? What is Empire? What is the Valkyries? So she also has her talents, and she's like, I want to join, but I'm all the way in Africa though. She's like, that ain't no problem. We are already international. Africa is doing me one more stop.
Okay, wow. So you said Ghana, Japan?
Yes.
Yeah,
Hasari. Hasari is in Japan. Right?
she's the one who brought me and her into the group, basically. She's in Japan now, but she was here initially. But no,
Okay.
she's in Japan.
Oh, nice,
Yes.
nice. Wow. All right. So, like, how to kind of keep that connection, that linkage going?
Well, at the at the end of it all, we're all friends,
Mm-hmm.
and we all have the same interests. So we're about to meet up a lot. So it's nothing to us. It's very easy to use what we're already interested in to make the business work. So I understand people would think that it's kind of hard. How do you manage so many girls?
Yeah.
It's like one big group chat, one big friend group. So it's nothing for us personally.
Okay, wow. All right, that's so cool. All right, so now I want to get back into the music. Like, you know, I want to do cosplaying, you know, say, I want to do the gaming, and I want to do other avenues. Why want to decide for jumping on music? Because I just, like I said, that's a whole different ball game.
All right, so, yes, official songbird of the Valkyrie here.
So you're the main singer, the main vocalist.
Yes.
All right.
All right, so music. Well, I came into the group, as I said, as a singer, and I've always been into music. I have a release right now on my YouTube channel, No Side Chick. Yeah, may I plug my song? It's on YouTube.
Also, you're a singer separate outside of the group.
Yes, so I
Okay.
kind of bring the music aspect, and as I said, we all came with our individual talents, and it's a group where we're fine with following behind in a direction regardless of who is leading that direction, because years ago at one part we were focused on the gaming aspect, right? And
Yeah.
that would have been where Nal would have come into play and Neko would have come into play here.
Okay.
And then we ventured over into the cosplay aspect, and this is where Neko would reign supreme here. So as I stated earlier, we're at this stop right now, which is the music aspect. So we're trying all the different lanes to get the name out there, and this is just
Okay.
one of the current stops that
One of the
we're
current
at.
stops.
So and
Okay.
then we came to the conclusion together that, wait a minute, music is a universal language. Everyone can get, no matter what field you're in, music is always involved in any field. And I have the talent. Why not use up the talent that I have here? They have the capability of performance, experience, and dancing. So what's stopping us from going into that venture right now?
Awesome.
Yeah,
Awesome.
so that's how we decided, let's try this music thing.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And then the pre-single, twist, dip. All right. So that song now, who wrote that song? Oh, you wrote it.
Yes.
Regarding that song, how did you like come up with the concept? Like, why did you decide to go with that type of concept, that sound, that whole visual?
All right, so Candy Rush was made because we have a sponsor, LOL Snack Shop. Tell them about LOL.
Right, so with regards to LOL, they're one of our first supporters. They first supported our Inter-Caribbean tourism project, which was to promote modern pop entertainment across the region. And so we're like, since this is our venture in music and we want to make something that appeals to all ages, why not shout out our first supporter, LOL Snack Stuff? So we approached Kwana here, we're like, yo, right where I can this song.
Yes.
Essentially,
Alright.
like,
It's like saying thanks to the sponsor.
Thanks to the sponsor.
Yeah, but
Okay,
pretty
so it's
much
not.
it wasn't meant to be. This is not our title track or official debut. It's a pre-single,
It's a
that we just
pre-single.
made to say thanks to the sponsor.
Okay, all right. Because I think a lot of people, they just made the assumption that that's an official song and that's the type of music you guys are pushing. So is that the type of music that you guys will be pushing moving forward? Like, what's the genre of music that you guys are coming with?
All right, so let me walk you through a long story. So we want to dive back into history first. I have to salute the greats,
Okay.
right? I'm walking through the whole process. So back in the day, you know, you have DJ Cool Herc from Jamaica and then Grandmaster Flash from Barbados, as well as others that developed the hip hop that we know and love, right? Then you have the other artists that carry it on, the Biggest Smalls, the Tupac, XYZ. And then you have Dancehall, which from Yellow Man, Ninja Man, Elephant Man, Spice, Cartel. Now, coming into this modern era, us being into modern pop entertainment, we want to establish this new genre called jam pop, which
Jam pop.
Jam
Okay.
pop, which is the merge between dancehall, hip hop, and using elements from modern pop entertainment. So gaming, cosplay, film, K-pop. What we want to make sure is that we draw from all elements of pop music, which includes but not limited to K-pop. It has been done in the past before, and what I think it has not been, a label has not been put on it. You can see that they were getting to it, but it would have just been classed as dancehall. But right now, especially with the things always evolving, we want to bring back to the fore that we can bring in your own interests and still make it pop, still make it dancehall, and that is what we have, jam pop. Well, we have another subgenre called K-jam.
K-Jam, okay.
K-jam.
You know, say, you could have put everything in a one word, like ginger tea,
Irie.
pro box,
Irie.
jerk chicken,
Irie. Put a fever on my bill.
this tune,
Bomba Club.
Bomba. Then this real.
oh, we had a session tonight,
Gang. We are going to party tonight.
gang, right, that song you're funny now,
Big up yourself. Know them I say. Gang. Gang. Irie. Everything's Irie. Irie. Everything's Irie. Honey, like a chicken party. I'm legit. I'll be like Prince, I get my copy. I'm legit. Irie. I'm legit. Irie. I'm legit. Irie. That is our way in strengthening the cultural relationship between South Korea and Jamaica. We perform at events in collaboration with the Korean Embassy. We do events, what they have, the K-Lovers, the Koika, K-Fest. We recently went to Jamaican. And before that, we went to a BTS fan concert.
Tour, man.
We were all over the place. So all elements that you see working with the Korean Embassy or anything Korea, then you will see the K-jam aspect. But what we want to put in the general way is jam pop.
Jam pop, wow.
To add to that as well, with regards to the more modern day references for jam pop, there are a couple artists you can have in mind, like Tammy Chin, Brick and Lace. They were one of the earlier, not like before in the
Like a fusion type of thing.
Yeah.
That when you have a concept of fusing a genre or having Jamaican pop music, you think Tammy Chin, you think Brick and Lace. And in nowadays, in the current one, we'd say it would be Shensia, who's stepping more into pop, and also J. Calm as well, who's considered like a more Chris Brown type of sound.
Yeah.
So now we are here we're stepping into this fall. We're paying our respects to who has come before and who's here now.
Yeah.
But we want to establish the fact that Jamaican have pop music.
What we want to put out is the intent. Back in the day, it has been done before, but what we want to solidify is the intent to industrialize, commercialize, and establish it. So other artists that are here now, up-and-coming artists and ones who have been before us, know that there is a path to go in, and you can stay on that path and broaden the scope of what we know as music today.
All right. Wow, thanks. All right, so here's the thing though, guys. All right, so like this song, Candy Rush.
Yeah.
What's the reception been like from the public?
Oh boy. It's been, can I say, majority positive?
Tell me some of the comments then.
Majority positive, but I've been some colorful ones. Zuri, this is, yeah. Okay. First, I would like to say that as out of many one people Jamaica loves to say they are, Jamaica is very narrow-minded when it comes on to trying.
No. Stop. No, you actually made a really good point, which is why I brought
Yes.
that up. I mean,
Jamaica
Jamaicans
is
are not.
considered
Yeah.
one trap-minded when it comes on to try new things. If it's something that they already know, they'll want to push for it and so on. I don't want to use that word, but if foreigners came and do it out here, they would accept it. But their own local people, they would not support.
Yeah, and that's why I wanted to bring that point up too, because Jamaicans, why we love them, we love but Jamaicans are not the people
Yeah.
that are readily embracing new stuff. You know what I mean?
It's also the fact that because what we're doing is not very societally accepted or the norm, it's something that they don't really understand. And because they lack the understanding of what we're doing or what we're trying to do, at least building our own based off of different cultures and such, it's going to be hard for them to accept it like that. So we're going to, of course, first be greeted with negativity, maybe, or indifference. But as we go and as we build our brand and what we stand for, I know that Jamaica will eventually come along because we're still putting our culture in what we are trying to do.
This is how I see it. In society, Jamaican society, it's like, okay, be yourself, but in reality, them not really want you to be themselves. They want you to be a version of what them consider acceptable.
Yes.
All right? The societal norms. And if you kind of deviate from that, then it's kind of, it's a challenge.
The Americans could say the same thing living
No,
over
man, it
there.
worse, yes, so
The
baby love.
Japanese,
It worse, yes, so baby
think about
love.
the Japanese, how strict they are about how they have to talk to people, how strict they have to be
No,
mannerable.
but we are talking in terms of the concept of like music, like what we're gonna do right now. As in, it kind of, you know what I mean. But here's my thing though. Me like what I do still, Although this type of song is not necessarily like my kind of thing with me that jump on and thing, but me really rate what I do because like I say, at the end of the day, you have to start from somewhere and you have to continue like, broke the barriers and thing, and you don't know who not inspire and what you can really do with this the lane you want in. I fucks is what you guys are doing. I'm gonna keep it up. You see me I say, like I said, that debut single, I don't really my kind of thing, but more, me I gotta look out for more from one and thing. You see me I say, me know it's a pre-single. That's why me not kill no. Me not kill no. But I said the debut single, it's a for great.
Hello.
It's a for great.
One that is coming up.
So the can't give me a little piece.
I can't give you a little piece, and I don't think we're giving out any teaser right
Yeah,
now. I'm
give me a
sorry.
little
No.
teaser, man.
Actually, we are working on teasing at Anime Confest.
Oh yeah.
So if you want to hear what's Candy Rush was just the opening.
Yeah.
What we really want to grab people and respectfully choke them with is if you want to hear that, that's
Yeah.
stuff come to Anime Confest.
Alright, so I've
And
got anime con. Alright, plug it in and tell them
Anime
to
Confest,
wish what they
Jamaica's
forgot.
largest anime convention at National Arena, August 15 and 16. It's a great age of pirate theme, so we want to see all the One Piece cosplay. If you can't cosplay, that's completely fine. Come with your good vibes, come with your money, come and support the small to large businesses that are there. And yeah, come bring all the vibes. But regarding the music though,
Yeah.
Jump Up, we've been doing this since 2023, 2022. And before that, with Kwana that stated earlier, she has no side chicks. You wanna get them a little taste tonight?
Oh, the song? You
Yeah.
wanna sing it?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
No side chicks, mama. Hold on there. This was inspired from Shensia's side piece song.
Yeah.
You know the side chick song,
Yeah, I know,
Shab?
I know.
So this was my rebuttal, Right. No side chicks by my list, never compromising. Oh, you get oxtail and come around now, ask for selfish. Side chicks not gonna like this. I don't care the slightest.
All
Love
right.
to play the part. No, my girl, ya sell yourself short. Them side chicks, no, I don't like them. I exercise them. Jujutsu Kaisen. Complain you can't find the right one, but him caught up playing Attack on Titan. Yeah.
Alright.
So you hear the elements of the anime references, so and along with the Jamaicans, it's like more of a R&B dancehall type
Yeah.
vibe with the interest that we have today. So that's
Alright,
you can hear it now.
Alright, definitely looking for it. So what's your guys like end goal like with this? Like wanna see yourself like in the next like 5 years with this new project?
Well, as the internet has seen, as the Jamaica's first girl group in the space, in jam pop space, I think we, at 5 years down the line, we would have opened the door for more groups to come up, because not only once we got into like that, doing dance covers and things like that, more dance groups have shown up, more people have gotten into doing what we're doing, and we want to see more people getting into their own type of music, their own type of thing, and more young people getting involved in the entertainment space that understand that there is a pathway. And as much as we lay down a path that works for us, I want every person in our generation to understand that there's a path for you. And that's really what we want, a more diverse industry with more young people involved.
I love this, man.
Pretty much strengthening the modern pop entertainment industry. We want people to come in, and as she said, you have an interest, bring it. I don't get it. Like the motto for Jamaica is out of many, one people. Here are we doing the out of many, and it's like you're weirded out. Like you should be new to this. We're used to this by now.
Let me tell you, them always say still, you know. Yes, sir?
Let me tell you something about that. As the resident uptown person here, right? It is being the song is being framed as an uptown thing, and I'm like, here's the songwriter right here. I'm just here for the vibes, right? But I have to say that as much as there is negative in the comment section, if you look at the amount of likes, the amount of reposts, and all these things, you realize there's a lot more positive than negative going
That's
on
true.
now. There is a lot more
That's
positive
true.
than negative, and there's a lot of people recognizing the genre that we're pushing, which is jam pop, and then saying, it's a long time we're supposed to have something like this,
There you go.
right? So as much as the negative is there, me not focus on that. You know what me focus on? Engagement. Yeah,
All right,
please
there you
continue
go.
to push it. Yeah.
There you go.
One thing we want to do, we want to have something that's palatable for everybody. We want to create music that you don't have to hide from your parents and listen to. You know what I'm kind of music.
Yeah.
And I believe that explicit songs, they have their place. I do like a little spice and a little cut. Check out in the morning, man. I wake up and don't get them talking. I like that. But at the end of the day, you want to have a range. Too much of one thing good for nothing. So you want to create that space where you can come in, you can not only feel confident, but it's palatable. The way they can play it, no problem. You can sing it out loud, no problem. It can be played in the buses, no problem. So that's what we're trying to push.
All right. I love that. Definitely keeping it clean for the youths. All right. So, who's like on a dream collab? Like, if we could get an artist on a track, who would I want?
Shensia, what's up? Shensia, pull up right now. Shensia, you need for right now. Right now. Thank you, and please.
Like,
Ca-
as soon
call
as
us.
you finish what you're doing, we're like, right?
We actually asked. We met up with her actually. Literally run up into her. She was at Sovereign one of the days. And I didn't have my glasses on. So I'm like, is that? No, that's not. Could it be? No, it is.
It was.
So we ran up to her. We gave her our contact information. We showed her what we did. She saw our channel. She heard Candy Rush before what you're seeing now. So she I believe she knows of us.
Yeah.
So anytime you're ready, girl, we're there.
Shensia.
You need for
I would like to proudly say that Shensia called me the cute girl. Let's just put it out there. She
And
called me
honestly,
cute.
it would really like make sense because you guys are like jam pop, K-jam, and
And
she's
she's
half
part
Korean,
Korean, yes.
so that would really work. But who else though? Who else?
Who would I want?
Cartel.
if Addy
Hey.
come on a song right now, Addy.
Annie.
Yeah, give me. Yeah. Give me an artist.
All right. Honestly, would I love if Jada Kingdom could drop something with we still? Because,
That
I'm
could work. I could
OG
see that
Jada
happening.
fan from way before she gets so slim and the booty was trailing behind her more. I was a fan of her since Love Situations, and she was doing a lot of river pictures and stuff. I was a fan of her. So, and she's still excelling now in where she is with her music. So she would be a boon to us right now.
Also, there's another one, J-Com. J-Com has been doing his thing in what we would call jam pop. And he's like Jamaica's Chris Brown, so I've been seeing in the comment section. So J-Com is another great addition.
All right.
No, Selisa what? Selisa.
Lisa
No,
who?
Alison, that's not bad.
It's not bad.
But it's expected.
It's
So
expected.
Give me the mic. Right. So
Lisa
as,
who?
remember how I said I saw
From
Blackpink
Blackpink,
in
oh.
concert? Any of the Blackpink members. I personally love Lisa. She's my favorite. She's really doing her thing in the Western entertainment sphere right now. She has her sold out show in Vegas coming up in November. And it would be personally and also just because of history, because Blackpink being one of the greatest girl groups of all time, it would be cool for them to whether the group itself or one of the members to collaborate with the Valkyries of Arcadia in some way, shape, or form.
All right.
Yeah, I would have want Vibes Cartel or Skilly Bang.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I could see that, honestly. I could really see it. All right. All right. So, girls, I'm looking forward to seeing more from you guys and thing. If you don't have a music video and thing, you can always cast me and thing, you see me?
You want any video?
Alright, let's see. I remember if we real continue doing that, man. Just ignore the noise and just, me say, listen to me. Greatness, I gotta get a fight. Look on Bob Marley. When Bob Marley did just come out, him never really get famous, till international audience them embrace him. And then Jamaica eventually caught up. Alright? So just keep doing what I do and, bless up on yourself.
All right. Thank you.
Alright. Alright, the Valkyries of Arcadia. When nobody feel like gonna get away, Them feel like they get away. Well, game for guys. Green flag, red flag. So I'm gonna just throw some things out there and I'm gonna tell me whether it's a red flag or a green flag. When you think I can angle it?
Should be interesting.
A guy who wants to split the bill on the first date.
Leave a red flag, yeah, bitch.
Dash you a red flag. Like this red.
Yeah.
Stop.
I'm not answered. Yeah.
It's so bad she not answering.
No, man. You can't start up. First impressions are very important. Red flag.
I guess this is one we all agree upon. Red flag.
Red flag. So why though, man? Why? Suppose man frugal, man?
No. Alright. 99% of the time is the man approach woman first. Yo, Beers, me like you, say you look real nice in that dress. I would love to take you out. So the girls, okay, you want to take me out? Cool, no problem. Let me put on my best for you. So the first impression, best foot forward, right? So put on the nice dress, the nice heels. Probably I'll drop 1 and 2 times in the nice heels, but we doing it for you. Makeup done to the gods. Here, done. Ready and waiting. On time. We're risking time for you also. And then we're here. Oh, you want to split the bill?
No, man, a friend you want, no girl you want.
You need a body. You don't need me. You need to get a body. You don't need me.
Jaja.
Listen, do not approach me with intentions of whining and dining me. If at the end of the day, I go come tell me about, oh, you want to pay half of that check, yeah? Oh, let's split the bill. Oh, you don't want me as a girlfriend. Oh, you want me as a friend.
Just...
Sorry, me have to skip her now.
I'm biting my tongue.
She has
No,
many
nobody bite your
opinions.
tongue, man. Oh, wait, nobody bite your tongue, man. Talk up the things, them.
You want me to go biblical?
No. All right, we can do the next one.
So yeah, literally, I'm not saying splitting the bill is bad outright. It's just if you're doing a first date with somebody, you want to make an impression, so you gotta take care of the person, so you want them to be your girl. So you really gotta step out with that intention. And a girlfriend you want is a boy thing you deal with. It's a play thing, a children's thing. No, but don't come with that.
Everything what them say.
All right. Next one. A man who doesn't want you to have guy friends.
Actually, come back to me. Come back to me. It's not an immediate red flag, actually. It's like
I say it's a beige flag because
No.
It's
I
orange.
don't have to be absolute
Get it
red
orange.
flag. Has to be.
because there's context to that though. Because you have to have an understanding between you and your person. If you meet the person that said first impression, you're like, oh, you don't want, and if you either don't want the guy friend around, or do you want the guy friend with supervision? Like, do you want to always know what this guy friend?
No, basically, I must say, if you have a friend from high school and know him for many years, cut that off.
No, I'm sorry, that's a red flag. Let me tell you why it's a red flag. I understand the logic behind those things, but this is why it's a red flag. You can't tell me, say, you want to be my partner or whatever, and you want to cut me off from my support system. I'm not saying that guys in and around a friendship don't necessarily have other intentions. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, you're going to take this girl away from her support system, and then she's going to what? Depend on you solely? What if you drop out then?
No, I'm just want you to just depend on the girlfriends, them, not the guy friends.
To add to she right now. So I think the flag depend upon the context.
Alright.
Because if you start dating me and I already had my friend as you brought up from years ago, and you're saying I should drop in for you, red flag. However, if you're dating me, you never met me with a guy friend and then me I suddenly develop new relationship and friendship after me meet you, to me that's a red flag. We need more friend for you. Have him. He may your friend. Me and your friend. You don't need no more guy friend after that point. But if you come and you see me with my friend and me see you with your friend, to me, that's fine. But at the same time, I wouldn't date a guy with a female best friend. That's me. Me not date no man with a female best friend. Even if him did know her from childhood. Me not interested. Moving on.
Wow, so we got a toxic one over here.
It's not toxicity. It is not. Because at the end of the day, you know what men will say? They know how men think. So why do you have a female friend and if you know how men think?
Hi, Equality Annie here. So, in regards to this, if you want me to cut off my male friend that has been there for me since because I know that they have this stigma in their head that, oh, you must have sleep with a friend or you must like you or what. I have had a best friend from high school days up to now that's a male. Never have we ever crossed that line. But you see, if you're going to ask me to do that, be willing. Say, if me say, I don't like that friend that you have, and share your support system, make sure say you cut her off too. Because if you can't cut her off, as much as you ask me to cut her off, it should not be a conversation. You get what I say? Ah, cool.
Oh no, I'm a sister, man. I'm a sister. I'm a cousin. And I'm a real cousin, but I'm a cousin.
Damn, I can't bring my groceries to my cousin anymore, guys.
I know it's like 12 in the morning, but I'm a cousin, bro.
No, man, why chef save as pizza out in your phone? Well on.
Yeah. Wow. Them talk of the things, you know. Alright, so another one. A guy who still lives with his parents.
Is he...
All these.
No, hold on. Is he living with his mom or living off his mom? Is he paying all the bills and the mom is just there?
Yeah.
Or is he relying on his mother? Is he a mama's boy? Mommy, I can't do this without you as a big grown grey front man. Yeah.
The real question is it like a separate housing? There are two different entrances. Like, is it her space over here and his space over here? That's what I want to know. Because I can understand if I love your mom, you know, but I need my privacy from your mom. No, I'm not in my business all the time. You get what I mean?
Okay,
Alright.
because of where I grew up in family homes. So him living with his mom is not an issue because you know a lot of persons have ancestral homes and so on where they stay. However, as Niall said, are you helping her with the bills or are you a parasite? Because if you're a parasite, I don't want to deal with you because that means you can't provide or do anything for me at all. So why is that a question?
I don't like take medicine, so I don't need any more parasites. I'm sorry. Take wash out every day. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Me, you need to take no more wash out.
You know,
No, I am formulating.
okay, well, yeah. So if I don't mind mother and grandmother all living in one home, I don't mind that at all, actually. However, it's exactly what the other girls have said. Is he being taken care of by his mother? Is she still getting up, making his food and paying the bills and acting like he's still a kid? Or he's there and he's handling every bill in the house he's doing? And I don't think getting up and cooking is a female job. I think that's an adulting job. It's an adult thing to do. I think everybody should learn how to cook their own food. Anyway, so I'm saying it's the same sentiment. It depends on the context of which he's living with his parents. It's not outright, oh, you have to move on. No, you could be just really close with your family and you're taking care of your mother and the bills and everything. And that's fine for me.
Yeah, because there's a certain level of independence. I think circumstances and context is very key in all of these questions, you know, especially this one. But I think once there's a certain level of independence, ambition, and being able to take care of themselves that is at play, then it can excuse that situation, because sometimes it's a case where the person is living with their parents because they're stacking their money to then move out or making investments before they move out. I understand that type of sentiment, but if you really if you're not do nothing, if you just build back and just sit down and live off of your parents, then that not gonna work, brother. Have some ambition.
So you must live off of your mom. You can take care of yours, but you want me. How you gonna take care of me? Okay, we're active now. And if I impregnate and I have a child for you, how that going to work? How that mommy gonna take care of both of us? Nah, bro.
Like, you must be able to take care of yourself and stand independently.
All right. Okay. Next one. A man who says he wants an open relationship.
No. Red flag. No. But very selfish. Very selfish.
So
Don't start.
everybody's red flag.
Don't start it with me.
Wait.
Answer first, Annie. Answer first. I'm not going to lick out against it. You know why? Because there are some people that are actually comfortable with an open relationship, depending on the rules that they stipulate for their relationship. So, for example, I'm not saying this is me, but just as an example, example, right? Me and Mr. Sir over here.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Sir over here are in a relationship, right? And we decide that, we like each other and we like being around each other, but we still not really know if we're ready for take the next step. So right now we'll be in an open relationship, but we have rules to stipulate that whatever you do right there, so, I know about it, and whatever me do over there, so, you know about it. We have to be, communication, exactly. Communication fixes a lot of things. It keeps a lot of things together. So I am not going to completely say I wouldn't be in an open relationship, hypothetically, because there's nothing wrong with it, in my opinion.
All right. Such a very
Mr. Sir.
Such a very mature and measured response.
Okay. So for me, so I have a very strong African heritage in my family.
Oh, okay.
So I am used to seeing polyamory relationships.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So my father has multiple kids and multiple wives. Not legally married because the country he lives in. Yeah. So I'm used to seeing those kind of relationships and how they thrive because, again, more than one income. She has a child today. Guess what? She can relax and we can look after the kid today. So it's like a very good family. You just have to set the foundation and the rules. But aside from that, me personally, I wouldn't say I'm not for open relationships because at the end of the day, anything can happen.
Sure.
But if you do something out there and you do not tell me about it, that's it. That's cheating.
No.
Yeah.
I know I said garbage, and I still believe in the garbage. But what I don't like majority of this open relationship, it started on dishonesty.
Yes.
You are into that, you're about that life, and you meet me, and I don't stand for certain things, so you don't tell me. And I find out, but babes, say, I'm a man, and nah, bro.
All right. So we're there with the Valkyries of Arcadia. All right, girls. So anything we want to say before we wrap up?
We're gonna do the thing. Hi guys, we are VOA. Yeah. If you want to find us, shout out to Part of Jamaica Magazine, shout out to E Plus TV, shout out to Anime Confest. Those entities really help us push our modern pop entertainment initiative out there. And if you want to find anything regarding what the Valkyries have coming up next, what our plans for Anime Confest are, you can follow us on all platforms, Valkyries of Arcadia. That's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, everywhere. Once it's social, you can find it. Valkyries of Arcadia.
We do it all.
We do it all.
Candy Rush will be released this month officially on all streaming platforms. So follow the Instagram page Valkyries of Arcadia to keep up to date with that. And our official debut single, as stated earlier, will be teased August 15-16 on Anime Confest and will be released shortly after that.
All right, ladies. It's great to have you guys for sure. Definitely.
Thanks
May
for
I look
having
out
us.
for you. May I look out for the new single, and I wish you all the best on this new journey. All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. And for all y'all watching, want to big up on yourself. Enough love. Trade.